Some homes impress you the moment you walk in. This one changes the way you want to live. Hidden away in nature, surrounded by privacy, water views, and peace. Imagine waking up here. No traffic noise, no chaos, just quiet mornings, fresh air, and your own private retreat. And when people come over, this is the kind of home they never forget. Custom built in 2021 with intentional design at every turn, including this exceptional chef's kitchen. With 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a first floor primary suite, and a 2-story great room with a wood-burning fireplace. But the real luxury here is space. Space to breathe, space to slow down, space to actually enjoy being home. This isn't just another house in Langhorne. It's the kind of property people wait years to find. 225 Playwicki St, a completely different lifestyle, waiting for you.